birthday. My family asked me, what you want to do today? I said, listen, I just want to feel normal. I don't want nothing special. People who go to work every day on their birthday, they don't complain. They don't bitch. They don't do nothing. They just go to work with paycheck to paycheck. So I'm going to just enjoy my birthday and I'm going to bless others. Today on my birthday, it's not about me today, it's about them. These guys come every day on their birthday, they work, they don't complain. I got $50,000, I'm gonna give it to them.